welcome back to Kitty Cat. Welcome back to Kitty Cat time. Okay, so today we're gonna do another cat chat about cats. So if you know me, if you've been watching my videos, I love cats. And if you ever see a cat on the road or something like that, or just abandoned, well, take it to the animal shelter, take it to the vet, adopt it, take care of it, whatever you can do for a cat, whatever is good. Ask someone to help you do it if you're allergic or whatever. Don't just leave it there, because cats are like humans. You need to take care of them. And if you like cats, then like and subscribe. And if you have a cat, tell me what colors it is or what color it is down below.